What's up? It's Eddie's Fashion. Today we're talking about two of my favorite things, fashion and making money. If you're obsessed with style, always saving outfit inspo, and want to turn that passion into a business, you're in the right place. I've got 7 actionable strategies to help you build your own fashion empire, no gatekeeping. Just real steps you can start today. Grab something to take notes and stick around for a bonus tip at the end that's a total game changer. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, start your own fashion styling service. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion for fashion into a profitable venture. If your friends always ask for outfit advice, you're already halfway there. It means you have an eye for style and people trust your judgment. That's a great foundation to build on. Offer personal styling sessions. Think closet cleanouts. Help people declutter, organize, and rediscover the potential in their existing wardrobes. Or special event styling. From weddings to galas, help clients find the perfect outfit for those unforgettable moments. Not into in-person? Go virtual. The digital world opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Host Zoom or FaceTime consults, providing personalized style advice from the comfort of your own home. Create digital lookbooks and work with clients anywhere. This allows you to showcase outfit ideas and styling tips in a visually appealing format. Build your portfolio on Instagram, showcasing your best work and attracting potential clients. Or TikTok, post your outfits, style tips, and before and afters with permission. Visual transformations are incredibly powerful. Offer discounts to your first clients for testimonials. Positive reviews are social proof that can significantly boost your credibility. Start small. Your first client could be a friend or family member. It's a low-pressure way to gain experience and refine your skills. Make your services and prices clear on a simple website or social page. Transparency builds trust and helps clients understand what they're paying for. Find your niche. Maybe it's sustainable fashion, vintage, or workwear. Specializing helps you stand out and become the go-to expert. Clients will seek you out for your unique perspective and expertise. Remember, you're not just selling clothes. You're selling confidence and time. You're helping people express themselves and feel their best. People want to look and feel great, and you can help them do that. It's a rewarding experience to see the positive impact you have on their lives. Don't overthink it, just start. Every journey begins with a single step. Practice builds confidence. The more you work with different styles and body types, the more skilled you'll become. Show off your unique style and skills. Let your personality shine through in your work. Use testimonials and client photos to build trust. Real-life examples are incredibly persuasive. Keep your branding consistent and professional. A cohesive brand identity helps you establish a strong presence. Network in local groups or online communities. Connecting with other professionals can open doors to collaborations and opportunities. The more you put yourself out there, the faster you'll grow. Visibility is key to attracting new clients and expanding your reach. Styling is a vibe. Own it. Embrace your passion, trust your instincts, and let your creativity flow. Strategy 2. It's time to take control and build your own empire. Launch your own online shop. It's easier than you think, and the possibilities are endless. You don't need a physical store. The overhead costs can be crippling. Your boutique can live online, reaching customers around the globe from the comfort of your own home. Decide what excites you. What are you truly passionate about? Curate vintage finds, giving old treasures a new life and a new home. Design graphic tees, expressing your unique style and message through wearable art. Or create accessories, adding those perfect finishing touches that elevate any outfit. Use print on demand for easy production, eliminating the need for large upfront investments and managing inventory. Or source unique pieces from artisans, supporting independent creators and offering your customers something truly special. Pick a product you love, something you believe in and are excited to share with the world. Your passion will sell it. Authenticity shines through and attracts customers who connect with your vision. Set up shop on Shopify, a user-friendly platform with all the tools you need to succeed. Squarespace, known for its beautiful templates and ease of use. Or Etsy, no coding needed. These platforms make it incredibly simple to get your products online and start selling. Your website is your storefront. It's the first impression customers will have of your brand. Make it look great and easy to shop. A clean, intuitive design will keep customers browsing and coming back for more. Product photos are everything. They're what will catch a potential customer's eye. Use natural light and show items from all angles. Showcase the details and textures that make your products unique. Include photos of real people wearing your pieces. This helps customers visualize themselves in your clothing and creates a personal connection. Market your shop on social media. It's the most effective way to reach your target audience. Share behind the scenes, giving your followers a glimpse into your creative process and brand story. Packing orders, showing the care and attention you put into every shipment. And your design process, highlighting the inspiration and craftsmanship behind your creations. Collaborate with influencers, partnering with individuals who align with your brand and can reach a wider audience. And use relevant hashtags, making it easier for potential customers to discover your products. Building a shop takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't sell out on day one. Success takes persistence and dedication. Keep improving your products and photos. Continuously refine your offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. Engage with your community and ask for feedback. Your customers are your best source of information. Run contests or giveaways to boost visibility. Generate excitement and attract new followers to your brand. Offer limited drops or exclusive items to create buzz. Scarcity drives demand and encourages immediate purchases. Stay consistent with your brand identity. A cohesive brand builds trust and recognition. Celebrate every sale, no matter how small. Each purchase is a validation of your hard work and vision. The first order you ship out will feel amazing. It's a tangible representation of your dream coming to life. Keep going. Your brand will grow. With passion, dedication, and a little bit of hustle, anything is possible. Online shops are more accessible than ever. Now is the perfect time to turn your fashion dreams into reality. Make your mark. Let your creativity shine and build a brand that you're proud of. Strategy 3. Create digital fashion content. If you love posting outfits or making style videos, it's time to monetize. Focus on 1 or 2 platforms you enjoy: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or a blog. Make money through ads once you build an audience, but the real income is in sponsorships and brand deals. Brands want creators with a clear niche and engaged followers. Build a media kit with your stats, best work, and rates. Only work with brands you genuinely love. Authenticity is everything. Your audience trusts you, so protect that trust. Create valuable content, entertaining, educational, or inspirational. Give people a reason to follow and return. Consistency is key. Post regularly and interact with your community. Start with small brands and grow your partnerships. Share your unique perspective and style. The money follows the value you provide. Stay true to yourself and your audience. Turn your hobby into your job. Strategy 4. Affiliate marketing. Get paid for recommending products you love by sharing special links. Sign up for affiliate programs like LikeToKnow.it, ShopStyle, or Amazon Associates. Share links in your YouTube descriptions, blog posts, or Instagram stories. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, no extra cost to them. Only recommend products you truly use and love. Integrate links naturally into your content, outfit posts, gift guides, or product roundups. Always disclose affiliate links for transparency and trust. Commissions start small, but add up as your audience grows. Affiliate marketing is a smart, passive income stream. You're already influencing purchases. Get compensated for it. Stay honest and authentic with your recommendations. Build trust, and your audience will support you. It's a win-win for everyone. Strategy 5. It's time to think about packaging your brain and selling it. This is where you transform your knowledge and experience into something tangible and valuable that others can learn from. Consider selling fashion courses or ebooks. These are fantastic ways to share your expertise with a wider audience and generate income. Package your expertise into digital products that can be easily accessed and consumed. Think about the specific skills and knowledge you possess that others would find valuable. The beauty of digital products is that you can sell them over and over again, reaching a global audience without any additional effort for each sale. Think an ebook on thrifting, filled with insider tips and tricks for finding amazing deals and unique pieces. Or perhaps a mini course on building a capsule wardrobe, teaching people how to create a versatile and stylish wardrobe with just a few key pieces. You could even create a guide to growing a fashion TikTok, sharing your secrets to building a large and engaged following. Solve a specific problem for a specific audience. Identify a need in the market and create a product that addresses it directly. Remember, niche is key. The more specific your product, the more likely you are to attract a dedicated audience. Write your ebook in Google Docs, making it easy to collaborate and edit your content. Then design a cover in Canva, using their templates and tools to create a visually appealing and professional-looking design. Finally, sell it on Gumroad or your website, making it easy for customers to purchase and download your product. For video courses, start by outlining your lessons, breaking down the content into manageable and engaging modules. Record with your phone, utilizing readily available technology to create high-quality video content. And host on Teachable or Kajabi, leveraging these platforms to manage your course, process payments, and engage with your students. Digital product scale, meaning your earning potential is virtually limitless. You can sell to 1 or 10,000 with the same effort, making it a highly efficient way to generate income. Market your launch, tease it, create anticipation and excitement around your upcoming product. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your content creation process, giving your audience a sneak peek of what's to come. And offer early bird discounts to incentivize early purchases and reward your loyal followers. Build hype with your community before going live, fostering a sense of excitement and anticipation for your product launch. If you've provided free value, consistently sharing helpful tips and insights with your audience. Your audience will support your paid products, recognizing the value you provide and wanting to invest in your expertise. Digital products are the ultimate passive income stream, allowing you to generate revenue while you sleep. You control the process and the profits, giving you complete autonomy over your business and your earnings. Keep your content high quality and actionable, ensuring that your audience receives valuable information that they can immediately apply. Update your products as you learn and grow, continuously improving and refining your content to stay relevant and valuable. Share your knowledge and get paid for it. It's a win-win situation for you and your audience. Strategy 6. Offer fashion design services. Freelance for small brands that need design help but can't hire full-time. Build a killer portfolio. Showcase your best work and unique style. Host your portfolio on your website or Behance. Collaborate with brands on capsule collections for exposure. Sell your designs directly as digital sewing patterns or illustrations on Etsy or your site. License your artwork for t-shirts, totes, or digital downloads. Skip manufacturing hassles. Focus on creativity. Network in online design communities and on LinkedIn. Share your work consistently on social media. Opportunities come from visibility and connections. If you love creating, this path is for you. Monetize your talent and vision. Make your designs seen and paid for. Strategy 7. Host virtual fashion events. Bring people together online for paid workshops, group styling sessions, or webinars. Teach topics like thrifting, styling, or content creation in live interactive formats. Offer affordable group sessions or exclusive masterclasses. Host summits with guest speakers and sell tickets or recordings. Use platforms like Zoom for easy hosting and ticketing. Make your event engaging and valuable, something people can't get for free. Promote heavily on social media and email. Create urgency with early bird pricing. Build a sense of community and connection. Live interaction makes your event special. Deepen relationships and create new revenue streams. Be the host of your own fashion party. That's all 7 strategies: styling, online shops, content, affiliate marketing, courses, design services, and virtual events. You don't have to pick just one. Mix and match to build your unique business. My bonus tip, just start. Take one small step today. Let me know in the comments which idea you'll try first. If this helped, subscribe to Eddie's Fashion and hit the bell for more. Your passion is your superpower. Go build your fashion empire. Start now.